In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Payoneer exchange rate. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Payoneer. When the results load, choose the official website. A quick safety tip here. Make sure the address bar shows the correct Payoneer domain and a secure padlock icon. Avoid sponsored links that look unfamiliar, and don't sign in if anything about the page seems off. Once you're on the official homepage, look for the Sign In button, usually at the top right. Click it to go to the secure login page. Enter your credentials carefully. If you use a password manager, this is a great moment to rely on it to avoid typing mistakes. For added security, Payoneer may ask you to verify a one-time code or confirm via email, especially if you're signing in on a new device or browser. Keep your phone or inbox nearby, and remember that these codes expire quickly. Never share verification codes with anyone. After you've signed in, you'll land on your dashboard. Near the top, you should see your account balances. Directly beneath that area, look for a section or link labeled Exchange Rates. If your screen is small, try scrolling a bit. The module can sometimes sit just below the visible portion of the page. Open Exchange Rates, and you'll be able to choose the From and To currency balances. Pick the wallet you want to convert from, and then select the wallet you want to convert to, like moving funds from a USD balance to a EUR balance. Selecting the correct pair matters because the rate displayed reflects the specific conversion between those two balances. Keep in mind that this isn't the public mid-market rate you might see on a financial news site. Payoneer's rate may include a conversion fee, and what you see here is the rate that applies to your account. Once your currencies are selected, you'll see a chart that shows rate movements over time, typically from 1 to 90 days. Use the range options to focus on a shorter window for recent changes, or expand it to observe longer-term trends. Hover your cursor or tap on the graph points to see exact values on particular dates. This view is helpful when deciding if you want to convert now or wait. But remember that exchange rates move constantly, and the figure on the screen can change by the time you execute a conversion. If needed, refresh the page for the latest data, and note that weekends and holidays may show fewer updates. That's all there is to it. Go to Payoneer, sign in securely, open exchange rates under your balances, select your From and To currencies, and review the 1 to 90 day chart to understand the trend before you convert.